Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create certificate in MS Word. As you see this model, so this kind of professional certificate how to create in Microsoft Word. Without any software, using Microsoft Word, I can able to create this kind of beautiful certificate. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. From my laptop or desktop, just open Word application, and so this is a certificate design I have created using the Word document. So as you see, so this is a model. So how to create this kind of model for the professional certificate? Just to click File, New and Blank Documents. So this is a blank document. First you need to make a certificate size of this document. So this is an easy way. Just click the layout and you will find an option called size. So just click the orientation and landscape, because the certificate will be the landscape. That's why I have selected landscape, and just select the margin and narrow margin. Just select narrow margin, so the margin will be narrow. Yes, so this is a size. Within a two-step I can make a certificate size. One is orientation and second one is margin. Yes, the second one, just click insert and select shapes. Once I select the shapes and click box, rectangle, just select rectangle and fulfill your certificate borders. Yeah, so I have place the shape on the certificate. So this is the shape I would like to make a background of the texture. So how to place the texture on this background? Just to click the shape, fill color. Once I click, automatically there will be a lot of colors will be available. Picture and gradient and texture will be available. Just select the texture and choose a different kind of texture. Yes, I have selected this texture and I don't want any other outline. So this is a texture I have applied. As you see, the certificate background is ready. So now I would like to insert a border of my certificate. So how to put the border? Just click the design on the top menu bar and you will find an option called page border. Once you click the page border, automatically there will be a different kind of borders will be available. On this page I would like to have a different kind of page border. Just select the art. There will be an art option in your computer, in your Word application. Just click that and you will find different kind of art border will be available. Just scroll down. There will be a different kind of designs and art will be available. You can choose according to your needs. For example, I have selected this border and I can give the color of this and click OK. Yeah. So this is a professional way of border what you applied in your documents. So this is a border and background I have applied. So now I would like to insert the text. So how to insert the text? Just click insert and you will find an option called text box. Once you click the text box and just click draw text box. Once you click draw text box, you just draw the text box. Yeah. So yes, I have removed my border and background fill color. Just select a font color. So whatever font color you want, you can select and you can reduce the font size as you need. So which kind of font size you want, you can choose. Yeah. So now I can able to make a center alignment of my certificate. Yes, my certificate is ready with the title, and now you can type a content. Just go to insert and shapes, line. Select the line, and if you want to change the line color, you can change the line color, shape, outline, and select the line color. Yeah. Just type the certificate for whom. Just type their name and the certificate signature, everything. So certificate signature also you can give the certificate signature using this option. Yeah. So now I would like to insert the logo. Yes, everything's ready. Now I would like to insert a logo of my certificate, my company. Just select a logo which is you have the logo model. Just select the logo and copy the logo from your computer and paste the logo. Yeah, the logo is pasted over here, but logo is there in the first page. I would like to place this logo in this page. Just reduce the logo size. Automatically the logo will be shifted from there to here, and here you will find an option called text wrapping layout option. Just hit the button and select the tight option. Automatically the logo will be displayed. I can move anywhere into the logo. Just select the logo and reduce the size, because logo should be little smaller. Yeah, I have placed my logo. Now I would like to add additional shape to make my certificate more professional. So how to make additional shapes? Just click the shapes option. There will be a triangle. Just hit the button triangle and just select. Yeah, so now you can give your own color, whatever color you want, and rotate your shape. Yes, keep it in the corner and increase the size. Yes, so I have put the rectangle side. Just to copy the same shape and paste over there, and change the color of this shape into red. Yeah, so this is an easy model. So with some shapes I can make the certificate more professional. The same shapes I would like to copy and paste it over here. Just right click, group the shape, and just to copy the shape, paste the shape is pasted over here. Now I would like to rotate the shape. Just to rotate using the rotation option. Yes, just clip it in the corner. Yeah, just rotate and keep it in the corner. My professional certificate is ready, as you see. So with the border, with the background, with the text color, and with small shapes, I have made my certificate. Now I would like to convert this one into PDF or JPG. Just to go to File, Save As, Browse, and PDF. Select the PDF and select certificate. Just click OK. Yes, my certificate is ready with the PDF. So without any other software, using your Word itself, you can create a basic certificate model, the professional way of certificate model, using the border and background color. So this is an easy step. Use this option. You can create. Do not depend on anyone to create your certificate. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.